Welcome to Sparky Spoken English.
உங்க இங்கிலீஷ் ஃப்ளூயன்சிக்காக வீடியோவை நாங்கள் 3 ஸ்டெப்பில் பிரிச்சிருக்கோம். ஸ்டெப் 1 வாட்ச், வாக்கியத்தோட அர்த்தங்களை புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு கவனிங்க. ஸ்டெப் 2 இமிட்டேட், சொல்வதை கவனமாக கேட்டு திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. இதனால உங்கள் உச்சரிப்பு மேம்படும்.
Put on your shoes.
Put your shoes on.
I put on my hat.
I put on my coat.
We're going out. Put on your makeup.
I'm wearing makeup.
Take off your shoes.
You must take off your shoes.
Take off your mask.
Yeah, take off your sunglasses.
Pick up the book.
Pick up the phone.
Pick up the box.
Put down the book.
Put me down.
Yes, Sarge.
I'm not as crazy as you are. Put me down.
Put those down. Put those down.
Yeah, come on. Come on.
Easy. Pat down. Put the pat down.
Put it back.
Liam, put that back. Put it back.
I'll put it back.
Plug in the charger.
Is it plugged in?
It's not plugged in.
Don't plug him in!
Unplug the charger.
Unplug your chargers.
Wait.
It's unplugged.
I'm unplugging it.
Turn on the TV.
Turn on the TV.
Who turned on the AC?
Turn on your laptop.
Turn off the TV.
Murray, turn off the TV.
Turn the camera off.
Turn the motor off.
Turn up the volume.
Turn up the volume.
Our clothes or turn up the heat.
Turn down the volume.
It's the middle of the night. Turn down the music.
Screw my contract.
It's a boy. Turn down the air conditioning, will you please?
Hang it up.
I wish.
Hang up your coat.
Hang up your jacket.
Hang it up.
Take it down.
Take it down.
Hey, what are you doing?
Taking it down.
ஸ்டெப் 3 ப்ராக்டிஸ், காட்சிகளை பார்த்து அதுக்கேற்ற வாக்கியத்தை வாய் விட்டு சொல்லுங்க. இந்த ப்ராக்டிஸ் தான் உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் சரளமாக பேச உதவும்.
Jungle.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content.